This is my Bambu Lab A1 printer and all my prints. Here is all my prints, what I did on my A1 printer. Here I did an axolotl. Then I did a scraper for scraping all the pieces off of the printer. Then I did a storage box to keep all my bits and stuff inside. Then this is the outside of the storage box. Then I did a little cat. And then I did a little poo holder what attaches to the side of the printer. This is my opinion on the 3D printer. I really like this 3D printer. It prints really smooth and I haven't really done anything too complicated on it yet, but we'll see in a future video if it does do good. I do like the printer. It's not the loudest, but it does make a bit of sound. The price is a bit expensive, but it is worth the money. I'd give it probably 9.5 out of 10. Another thing I like about this printer, on the app, there is so many different things you can do. You can design your own stuff, or you can even put an image of yourself in it, and basically it'll generate it, and you can print it out either white or multicolor. And that's another thing I wanted to talk about is the multicolor. At the moment, I only have brown, but I can't wait to test out all the different colors and see how that works. So thank you for watching this video.